Hello again. We got the drawers completed yesterday. Got the fronts mounted. Got the logo burned in by Lucky Arrow Design. We got 2 drawers with our logo on it. Now that that's complete, we're going to make the rails that the drawers will slide on. So what that's going to be is it's going to be a piece of plywood sandwiched between 2 2x4s. There'll be grooves in the 2x4s. There'll be an 1.5 inch strip on each side. And the little plastic pieces that I put on the bottom of the drawers will slide on this part. Same way on the top, there'll be a tray for the top 2x4. It'll also slide on the top of this 2x4 up here. So yesterday it was raining all day, so I didn't get a chance to hook up the solar panels again. But I was able to hook those up, get my solar generator charged. It was about 80% yesterday. I'm charging the batteries today. So let's get started. So I'm trying to use all the stuff that I can put in the truck when I'm done. So a table saw would be really nice, but I'm trying to not use a table saw. So I made this guide that I mounted onto the bottom of the circular saw. There's 2 holes in the bottom of the circular saw already, so I just put in a couple bolts. But I made slotted holes so I can make it adjustable. So I drilled the holes with a 1/4 inch drill bit, and then a little bit smaller drill bit between the 2 holes, 2 1/4 inch holes. Drilled several holes, and then I cleaned up the rest of it with a Dremel tool. I have the depth right now set to 3/8 of an inch. I already did a practice cut. So I'll go 3/8 of an inch deep on both the bottom board and the upper board. Make it a 1/2 inch wide. That'll give me enough room to put the plywood in the grooves. So I have this clamped to a table. I have very little that I can clamp on, but that's where the saw is going to ride, right along this edge. Now that all the grooves are cut, I'm going to drill holes for the screws. 2 holes on the ends, 3 throughout the middle, 2 more on the end. And I'm going to counterbore them. So the screw is about a 1/2 inch. The head of the screw is about a 1/2 inch in. So I'm going to do that to all 6 boards.